just want to send a message. I know the season didn't end up the way we wanted, and the things that we were doing during the season were setting us up for a great district run and hopefully a long playoff run. But as it works out, that didn't happen. Everybody's upset. I just want to tell y'all that I miss y'all. I love y'all. Hope everything's going well for you and your families. Take care, stay safe, and we'll be together soon. See you soon.
Round third, headed for home. It's a brown-eyed, handsome man. Anyone can understand the way I feel. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Look at me. I can be center field. Well, I spent some time in the Mud Wheel 9, watching it from the bench. You know, I took some lumps when the mighty case struck out.
The future is bright. Keep your head up.
No, the time is now. So put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Look at me. I can be center field.
Hey guys, no, the season didn't end up the way that we wanted it to, especially for you guys. Sorry about that, but we're all here for you, and we'll all get through this together.
Got a beat up glove, a homemade bat, and a brand new pair of shoes. You know, I think it's time to give this game a ride. Just to hit the ball, touch them all, moving in the sun. It's a gone and you can tell that one goodbye. So put me in, coach.
Miss you guys. Hope all is well. Seniors, keep your heads up. There's a great big world out there waiting for you. The rest of you, I look forward to coaching you next year.
Day, look at me. I can be center field. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Look at me. I can be center field. Yeah.
Matthew Brady, I want to thank you for everything that you've done for this program. Sorry that it didn't end the way we would have liked. Y'all will go on to do great things, become great people, and I hope to see you down the road. 2020 seniors. Out.